Hello there, and welcome back to the dam. Today we will take yet another look at this motherboard. It's the DataExpert EXP4045. It is the motherboard that we worked on in a previous video, and if you haven't seen that video, I will leave a link in the description. In the last video we repaired this motherboard so that it is now posting again, but there are still some minor details that we need to address, and that is the subject of today's video. First thing we need to fix today is the voltage regulator that we installed in the previous video. As you can see here, I have removed it again. After installing it, I realized that the polarity of this regulator has been flipped. So I actually installed it in the wrong orientation. I just assumed that the heatsink would attach to the motherboard, where you can see that the copper on the motherboard has been exposed to function as a heatsink. But in this case, that would be the wrong orientation for this voltage regulator. So it actually needs to be put in like this, in an upright position with an attached heatsink, and that is the first fix we will do today. Next up, I would like to do a reflow on the chipset. As you saw in the last video, I reflowed the main chipset with my soldering iron, and as you can see, the consistency of the pins is not quite 100%, so today I will reflow them again, this time using my hot air station, and that should give us a much cleaner look on these pins. And finally, I have received the sockets that I have ordered for the cache chips. We needed 32 pin sockets for these full-length cache chips, but unfortunately 32 pin sockets is not that easy to find. So I ended up ordering some 26 pin and some 6 pin sockets, and we will connect them in series, so they will form a 32 pin socket. As you can see, this motherboard is now fully functional again, with both the voltage regulator and the cache chips. So I really don't have much more to say about this board, other than I will probably be using it in upcoming videos. The final thing I would like to do with this motherboard before I set it aside again is to take some good pictures of it and upload them to the retro web. This motherboard of course already have a page on the retro web, but I think the pictures of the board on the page could be a little bit better. So I will try to take some good pictures of my board and submit them to the retro web project. And that will actually be my first contribution to that website. I have been using it for many years, looking up valuable data sheets and specs and so on. And I think it's about time that I do my part of contribution to that page. So pictures of this motherboard will be that contribution. In any case, that is all I have for you today. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.